Some people have a view, well, you know what, I want to be comfortable, and regardless of what interest rates are, I'm just going to lock in for 5 years. And at least they know comfortably for 5 years where they're at, which might give them a bit of time actually to save up a few pounds as well, so that whenever they come out of that 5-year deal, regardless of the interest rates, they've maybe a wee bit of money to put at the mortgage. The debt's a lot lower, so they're not really impacted much.
I suppose probably one of the scenarios there would be if you, as you said there, if you maybe have 4 or 5 houses and you tied them all in at the same time.
You tie them all in at the same time and you're coming out at the same time.
Yeah.
You hurt very quickly.
Yeah, and that's obviously that is going to have an impact on your cash flow, because, you know, your mortgage could have went from, say, and I'm throwing figures around here, but say 200 quid to 600 or 700 pound per each property. Yeah. You know, and at that point, if you don't have a backup there, you're up the left a wee bit.
Owning property is like a business. It's just not a matter of, right, well, this is today, this is what the rent is, these are what the costs are. You know, you have to factor in, if it's not making you a lot of money now, well, then there's no point doing that, because if there's other costs that rise, if your insurance costs rise or your maintenance costs rise, and you've everything else, and you don't have a sufficient slush fund or any other income coming into it, that's whenever it gets very difficult.
Yeah.